Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about IQ test, what is the classification of IQ test and how we are going to calculate it. So first we will define what do you mean by IQ test. IQ is intelligence quotient test. So what do you mean by IQ? It is a type of standard score that indicates how far above or how far below the individual is falling in the mental ability or in the intellectual capacity from the peer group. For example, there are 6 persons in the same class. Okay, so how the individual is falling among the peer group. So what is the intellectual or the mental ability of an individual? So we will check it with the help of IQ test. So there is a formula to calculate IQ test. IQ is equal to MA upon CA into 100. MA is mental age, CA is chronological age. What do you mean by mental age? Mental age means कि इंडिविजुअल है वो किस एज के हिसाब से द पर्सन इज सोल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. दैट मीन्स इट लुक्स एट हाउ ए स्पेसिफिक इंडिविजुअल एट ए स्पेसिफिक एज परफॉर्म्स इंटेलेक्चुअली. Chronological age is the actual age according to date of birth. That means the age in term of your years, month and days. That is your chronological age. So the formula of calculating IQ is mental age upon chronological age into 100. Now we will discuss the classification. Classification of IQ test. First we will learn what is the normal IQ level. So the normal or average IQ level is 90 to 109. It's basic question and it has been asked many times in many of the exam. If the IQ level is more than 109, that means high average. If IQ level is between 1110 to 1119, superior 120 to 129, very superior or intelligent जिसको हम बोलते हैं 130 plus, more than 140 plus it is God gifted. If the IQ level is falling less than 90, so it will go under low average, borderline and extremely low. In low average, if IQ level is between 80 to 89, borderline between 70 to 79, that means we need to pay attention towards these type of children. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या होगा, दे विल बी गेटिंग, क्योंकि एवरेज से या फिर बॉर्डर लाइन से हम इनको इम्प्रूव करके नॉर्मल IQ लेवल तक ले जा सकते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली लो क्या होगा, लेस देन 69. So we will categorize into mental retardation, MR. So MR में classification, it is mild MR if the IQ level is between 57 to 70, moderate MR if the IQ level is between 36 to 50, severe MR if IQ level is between 21 to 35, and profound if it is less than 20. Now we will discuss how we are going to calculate. For example, there is a 10-year-old child, but the child can solve a test of 5-year-old age according to intelligence. So calculate IQ test. So the formula was MA upon CA into 100. Already the child actual age is 10 year. So chronological age is the actual age. So we will keep, and mental age is 5 year. It is given in the question. So 5 upon 10 into 100. So the answer is 50. That means we will classify in which category the child is falling. So the child is falling under moderate MR. Next question, child is 6-year-old but can solve the sum of 8-year-old child. Calculate IQ test. So IQ, जो एक्चुअल एज कितनी है चाइल्ड की, 6 ईयर है, लेकिन मेंटल एज कितनी है, 8 ईयर है. तो 8 upon 6 into 100. So we will calculate and the child is falling into superior or God gifted IQ level. So this is the way how we will calculate IQ test. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.